Hello children, welcome to Dynamic Teacher. Today we will do some exercises of NEHA'S alarm clock. So let's begin. Say aloud OUGST ought, BOUGHT bought, CAUGHT caught, MATTER matter, CHATTER chatter, SHATTER shatter, TICK TOCK tick tock, TELL tell TOLD told, TRAIN train, TIME time, TICK tick, TACK tack, TIP tip, TIN tin, take and tall. Who said these words and to whom? Wake up, dear, wake up fast. Who said to whom? These words were said by birds to Neha. Now the next. Ma, who woke me up today? Who said to whom? These words were said by Neha to her mother. Very good. Now the next is, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Who said to whom? These words were said by mother to Neha. That's right. Now pause the video and write down all these sentences with their answers. How to say time. Observe the picture and try to say the time. We will see in the first clock shown here in the picture. What is the time? It is 12 o'clock. Now we'll see the next picture. What is the time? It is 5 past 12. When the hour hand is on 12 and minute hand is on 1, that time we'll say it is 5 past 12. Next is, it is 5 to 12. Next is, it is quarter past 12. Then, it is half past 12. And the last figure, it is quarter to 12. So, observe the picture and learn how to say the time. Let's see different parts of a clock. So here, first is hour hand, HOURHAND, hour hand. It tells us hours in the clock. Then the minute hand. Minute hand tells us minutes in the clock. Second hand tells us second in the clock. And these are time numbers. So all these are the parts of a clock. Learn them and write down their names. Draw the figure. Now let's do some homework. You have to write about the clock in your house in about 10 lines. And number 2, write about what would have happened if there was no clock. So, if there was no clock, what things would have happened, what funny things would have happened, what serious things would have happened, that you imagine and write all those things at least in 10 lines. Thank you for watching the video. Pause the video to write down all the questions and answers and your homework. Have a great day.